sunlight hurts my eyes. The sunlight hurts my eyes.
Hey guys, what's going on? TikaFits09 here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean your PlayStation 3s, how to take it apart and clean it. Need a special security bit. It's the one I got. Got mine at Home Depot. Came around 25 bucks. Special bit. It's like a 10-star with like a hole. So you only need this for one piece.
The sunlight hurts my eyes. The sunlight hurts my eyes. So look to the sky.
And there's your security bit. Small, so don't lose it. Last thing I want to do is lose that shit. Put that over here. So now you take and you slide your case forward. I don't know if you can see that. Pop your case forward. See how there's a pop. And you can just pull it out. Here's your cover. Down over here for now. There's your PS3. So at its top. You have 6 main screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 down here. And one's a small screw, which is right here. It'll have an arrow to it. So you know it's your short screw. So what you want to do is pop those. If you ever want to pop your hard drive, it's right here. You gotta pop the little casing off. Use a screwdriver. Flathead. Do the trick. Pop your casing off. You have a star. Just pop. All these screws are just hand tight. You don't want to over tighten them. Here's your little screw. It's got a little flap right here where the screws in. That's what you just pull on. Pop your hard drive. Here's my PlayStation 3 hard drive, which is 160 gig. Yeah, 160 gig. There she is. We'll just put that over here for now. PS3, no hard drive. And I popped all the screws. As you can see, they're all gone. So now what you want is the back. See, it pops. You pull it forward. When it comes off, there's the front of your PlayStation. Now, here is your PlayStation 3. This right here is your laser, like your disk drive, and this right here is your power supply. I've already cleaned mine out a little bit before. Like, it catches dust up here like you would not believe. It sticks to actual parts. It's got a bit of movability, you can get underneath. Personally, I would use air in a can if you wanted to completely take it apart. If you wanted to completely take that drive out, you would have to pull this cord right here, and you would have to undo your power supply because the ribbon goes underneath the power supply. I'm not going to do that in this tutorial. I might do it in a later video. We'll see how many views this video gets. If you wanted to pull your power supply, you have a screw here, a screw here, and two back here. But to get those ones off, you'll need a precision set, which is this. So yeah, so what you want to do is take some canned air, spray all your machine, you know, get all the parts. I use this to clean the top. It's just your TV screen cleaner, just to clean, you know, the shell and the top of your PlayStation case, you know. Just give it a quick wipe down, you know. There's nothing you really have to worry about too much. I use this because it doesn't streak, you know. Grab my hard drive, pull out a little metal piece. You just want to push it until it's fully in. And you would attach. Just grab your screw and the smaller screwdriver. Right here. Like I said, you just want to put it in just snug. You don't want to strip your screw. Just like putting on a lid. You have your little hooks right here. They have to line up perfectly in the front. Put it down straight. Almost like straight on. You pull it down and it closes like a book. If you put it on properly. Make sure she's shut firm. Now you'd want to grab your cover, pull it back on. Probably want to put it on properly. So see, got to leave a little gap up top. You put it back on kind of like you opened it. You slide it in position. Once it's slid back, see that? Put it on like that and you slide it back into position. Don't be like me and forget to put your hard drive cover back on. looks kind of sloppy with it open, you know. I find anyways. Cover's back on. Can't tell. So the hard drive goes. Your security piece. Security screwdriver. Like I said, 25 bucks, Home Depot. Can't go wrong. And this too, you don't want to put it too tight because you'll strip the screw. But you want it tight enough so you can't pull the case down. So you should tight. Try to pop the case. It ain't going nowhere. There you go. She's back together. She's clean. She's good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and keep watching. TikaFits09. Peace.